Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to my channel, hit those post notification bells so that you get notified whenever I post another video. Guys, remember to please watch the ads. As you see, by the way, I'm just saying, guys, I'm going to the river today, because it's neat, it's summer in Jamaica, guys, and river is a must, right? The place is hot, and guys, I promise you I'm going to be going to other places too, but we are wait till when school get there first. So yeah guys, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get us to 20k. I go under one water fall. So yeah, I know you guys have been saying that I deleted most of my videos, guys. I had to delete those videos, but one day we'll have that conversation. But for now, let's go.
And less watery stools and a quicker recovery. Number 4, promotes weight loss. Guava leaves can aid in weight loss by preventing complex carbohydrates from being converted into sugars. Typically, carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which is then either...
Ow. I'm walking towards it, but my arm. Yeah guys, so we're headed. May I go by myself today? Coming out, go far up, so may I go by myself. Yay! Every time I try to fix something, like you want shorter. Yeah, I have to button this, guys. So keep it button. My breast then get bigger, yeah, but yeah. I'm button loose. I'm button it. I can't believe one hand may have. Wait, let me put this stand up. But if it's stand up, let me button with me a button. Let's see. The button it good. All if you button good, that's it. That's it. Yeah. I go wash my ear. You see, I put gel. I put gel in my ear often, so it come like my ear have to wash every week, which most women wash their ear like every 2 weeks, but with me it's different. So yeah, my prayer so we not get no hurricane this year. Last year we get hurricane. My prayer we not get none this year. God no hurricane. May I try upload that video the time when YouTube send me to upload. Guys, from what day me not upload the video, then me just upload anytime. But today I go upload it the time. Even though it's close to the time still, I should have do this video from morning already. But other things happen. Yeah guys, so stay tuned. So going to work here. This man say I'm going to use and get all of the girl there. I turn off the car. So yeah guys, we reach. What's it mean? So, there. Tell them say we know we're here at the river. Yay! It's so convenient, guys, living beside a river. So convenient. Guys, so yeah, we're here at the river. We'll find one nice spot to just go and cruise. Guys, the river is lonely. Yeah, everybody gonna work, so you're not gonna really see people picking on at school and everything. So I'm here all by myself. So yeah, let's go. Let me see. This is one chocolate. I'll pick it up for that for you. You can come more than one of them too. I'm not pick care of them now. I have to go through this. I go eat one, I can one. Guys, you have to be careful. When I walk, that's when I drop. I'm broke, I'm not broke. I'm going to put this. Life of a content creator, guys. I need a video guy or a video woman, but I prefer one man still, you know. But it's good. And everywhere the tripod can stand up. That able to see the place rocky. Oh my god. I have to put in my water, you know. Turn up now. Turn up now. I see chocolate them there, guys. I want to put them like you see. But I have to find somewhere good. I have to find somewhere. Oh no, see me good. Let's see chocolate them. Let's see them at my cousin. Turn up now. Let's see. No, see, yeah. Oh, let's not see. Let's see. I don't know, you can't reach, guys. You feel like a jack? I'm more than one. Oh my god. Can't reach no more than one. This is the punishment of being short, guys. I can't reach everything. Let me see one of the doors. So low. You really want to go on that tree. So you guys, two beautiful chocolate, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna go up there so and spare. Alright guys, so I'm gonna crack the big one. I'm gonna carry the one they go give me mother. I'm gonna crack this one. Yeah, I'm gonna crack this one. This one is green. Guys, this is what they use to make the chocolate, right? My teeth crack that one here. You say purple. I don't want to throw away the seed them. But look at me, I have to go through them now. I don't have nothing to carry you. Open your sauce. Ako paano po da? Yeah guys, they were about really low and we feel afraid. Little bit. But not a lot. I'm not really afraid, you know guys. We go a place by myself. Not so bad, but you know when your environment kind of changes it up. You have more caution, you know? Chocolate and red. We could get all of the way first I want them with the pan tree. But I'm too sharp. I'm too sharp, guys. So yeah guys, where I'm going right now, I come here so before me I just go check if it's still, you know, up. We then still have it up here because they need a one spring with one bamboo. I come through it, so I'm just gonna check to see if it's still there. I'm not sure. I can't see it right here, so I'm going to have to go a bit further. Oh, I'm going to know me a walk. That's me not broke up. And guys, we can't walk barefoot on this thing. I'll show you your stuff. So yeah. Oh my god. There's a lot of water, guys. A lot of water. Oh my god, guys, you know they didn't know more. They don't go back this. Oh my god, they don't go back this string there. But it's still a running, but then just don't go back the thing. And just not put back the thing. Anyway guys, I'm gonna show you. Guys. Let's see if this can. Then I set up back the bamboo and everybody get rich. So yeah. But I'm gonna try to go up there. I'll try to go up there guys. So let's go. And you give you guys a good view of it, so yeah. So, yeah guys, the place where I normally go is they not set you up back, so me a move. I go back down my bottom guys. I mean I go watch me here up here. Up here it's not really what we normally do. Regular everywhere at the wall. I saw this thing. Oh my gosh. But it's good. I get to show you guys the spot. So maybe then we soon set it up, put back the bamboo. And one nice bamboo did it. You could have want you wash it here and anything I want to do. Yeah, do. Stone and green, you know, red, you know, and black. Here's sun. Here's sun in the middle. I'm a coat, guys. Here's sun in the middle. You see how far I come from? Thank you, guys. I'll wash my ear. Let's go out to you. Let's open. We're at the beautiful river. I think they call the river, yeah, Anato. Little Anato. Yeah, it named Little Anato River. That's what this river is called, guys. Anyway, guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit those like button, guys, so that you get